right hand drive C200 Lexus cabin filter location. Right, this is the new cabin filter. For it to be really useful, it has to be fitted in the correct place. It lives behind the glove box. Press this button, yank this bit out, and you've got this part here. That's where the cabin filter lives. Now press this tang here and it comes out. Now you see why. To fit your new one, the old one must first be removed because there just isn't enough room for both of them in there, and you can't really stuff it in out of the way or push it in further. You just get the customer annoyed. Well, they may not know anyway, but I mean, yeah, it's worth a try, but you know, it's easier. It's just if you took it out and just got rid of it. There, you got your money's worth out of it anyway. Right, new one goes in. Right, big cover. This little tang here locates at the end there first. This cover goes back on, like they say in the Haynes manual. Refitting is reverse or removing. It goes in there. There's two tags there that locate behind there. And once you've got it located, all we do is push that in. And then this one, same here. Voila!